Hey everyone, welcome back to David and Jessica English channel, your place to practice easy and fun English conversations.
Hi friends, I'm David.
And I'm Jessica. We're so happy you're here today.
Yes, today's topic is something everyone can talk about, our jobs.
Exactly. We'll talk about what we do, where we work, what we like, and maybe what we don't like too.
Oh yes, there's always something we don't like at work.
So get comfortable, listen carefully, and speak along with us.
Let's start today's conversation on talking about my job.
So, David, tell me, what do you do? What's your job?
Well, I work as a graphic designer.
Oh, that's cool. So you make designs and pictures, right?
Exactly. I design logos, posters, websites, all kinds of creative things.
That sounds fun. Do you work from home or in an office?
I mostly work from home. I have a small desk, my computer, and a big cup of coffee every morning.
Coffee is important for designers, right?
Very important. Without coffee, I can't design anything.
I understand. So, what do you like most about your job?
I think I like the freedom. I can work at my own pace. I can also use my creativity. Every project is different, so I never get bored.
That's nice. I like that too. When every day feels a little different.
Yeah, how about you, Jessica? What's your job?
I'm an English teacher.
Of course, that's perfect for you. You're so good at explaining things.
Oh, thank you, David. That's sweet. I teach English to beginners, students who are just starting to learn.
That must be fun.
It is. I love when students learn a new word or say their first full sentence in English. It's a great feeling.
I can imagine. But teaching is also a lot of work, right?
Yes, it is. I have to plan lessons, make materials, check homework. Sometimes it's a long day.
So, what time do you usually start your day?
I usually wake up at 6:30, drink tea, and start classes at 8.
Wow, that's early. I usually wake up at 8 o'clock.
You're lucky. I have to be ready for my students.
Do you teach online or at a school?
Both. I have some online classes and some in a small local school.
That's cool. You get to meet people from all over the world and from your city too.
Exactly. That's one of my favorite parts, meeting new people.
That's nice. So, what's something you don't like about your job?
Maybe when students don't do their homework.
Oh no, that must be frustrating.
It is. I spend time preparing, and then they say, "Sorry, teacher, I forgot."
Classic excuse?
Yes, but I try to stay patient. Everyone learns at their own speed.
That's a great attitude. I think patience is the secret for teachers.
Yes, and maybe for designers too, right?
Absolutely. Sometimes clients want so many changes.
Oh, I know that feeling. Can you make it a little bigger? Can you change the color?
Exactly. And then after all the changes, they say, let's go back to the first design.
That's so true. It happens to everyone who works with clients. So, David, do you work alone or with other people?
Mostly alone, but sometimes I work with a small team. Writers, developers, or other designers.
Nice. Do you like working in a team?
Yes, I do. It's fun to share ideas. But sometimes working alone helps me focus.
I agree. Teamwork is great, but it can also be noisy sometimes.
True. Especially when everyone has different ideas.
Do you listen to music while you work?
Oh, always. Music helps me think. I like calm music, like soft piano or guitar.
That sounds relaxing. I sometimes listen to background music when I grade homework.
It makes everything better, right?
Yes, definitely. So, how long have you been a graphic designer?
Let's see, almost 5 years now.
That's great. And did you always want to be a designer?
Not really. When I was younger, I wanted to be a photographer.
Oh, wow. So what changed?
I took a design class in college and loved it. It felt creative and fun, just like photography, but with more tools.
That's nice. It's great when you find something you really enjoy.
Yes. And what about you, Jessica? Did you always want to be a teacher?
Actually, yes, I loved English when I was a student. I used to help my classmates with homework. So teaching just felt natural.
That's so cool. You turned your passion into your job.
Exactly. But of course, sometimes it's tiring.
Yeah, every job has good days and bad days.
Totally. Some days I feel amazing, full of energy, and other days I just want a nap.
I feel you. That's every worker's life. Do you get weekends off?
Yes, I usually don't work on Sundays. That's my rest day.
Nice. What do you do on your day off?
I like to read, go for a walk, or sometimes just watch movies.
I usually meet friends or play video games on my days off.
Oh, what games do you play?
Mostly racing games. It helps me forget about deadlines.
That's funny. My students probably think teachers don't play games.
Yeah, teachers are humans too.
David, if you could change your job, what would you do?
Good question. Maybe I'd be a travel photographer? I love traveling and taking pictures.
That sounds amazing. Traveling the world and capturing moments.
Yeah, but it's also hard work. Carrying cameras, waiting for perfect light.
True, but still, that's a beautiful dream job.
Thanks. What about you, Jessica?
I think I'd love to have a small coffee shop one day.
Oh, really? That's surprising.
Yeah, a quiet place with books, music, and good coffee. I'd love that peaceful vibe.
That sounds perfect for you. Calm, friendly, and full of English books.
Yes, maybe I'll even give free English lessons to my customers.
That would be amazing. Buy one coffee, get one English lesson free.
Exactly.
Have you ever had something funny happen at work?
Oh yes, once during an online class, my cat jumped on my keyboard in front of the camera. My students laughed for 5 minutes.
That's adorable. Did your cat become famous?
Almost. My students still ask, "Where's the cat, teacher?"
That's so cute. I had something similar once.
Really? What happened?
I was in a video meeting with a client, and suddenly, my internet stopped. When it came back, my face froze on the screen with a funny expression.
Oh no, that's the worst.
Yeah, they took a screenshot and still tease me about it.
Poor David, technology sometimes makes work fun and sometimes embarrassing. So, David, what's one piece of advice you'd give someone about choosing a job?
Good question. I'd say, choose something you enjoy. Because if you love your job, even the hard days feel easier.
That's so true. I agree 100%.
What about you, Jessica?
I'd say don't be afraid to try new things. Sometimes you find your dream job in a place you didn't expect.
Beautiful advice.
Thank you. So, friends watching, what about you? What's your job? Or what job do you want to have?
Yes. Tell us in the comments below. We'd love to read your answers.
Thanks for watching and practicing English with us today.
We hope you enjoyed this friendly chat about our jobs.
If you liked this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends.
And remember, practice every day. The more you speak, the better you get.
See you next time on David and Jessica English Channel.